Tai mai ai a Hezekiah Carlson ki te whare hapori o ngā iwi o te moana nui a Kiwa ki Tokoroa, ki te whakarongo ki ngā prihimana te take.
I've done security work before and stuff like that. I like to make people feel protected. I got a lot of sisters as well. I've dealt with some stuff and the cops came, kind of inspired me. Yeah.
Ko Hezekiah rāua ko tana hoa amana Petero e tehi o ngā rangatahi kai ngā kau nui ana ki ngā mahi tautia ki te hapori. Nā whai anō ka whai wāhi mai ai rāua ki tēnei wānanga prihimana.
But one thing that I actually enjoyed about what they were talking about was what the cops actually have to face, or like all of the ugly things.
When you teach people, you actually learn yourself, eh? Because I ask questions that make ourselves better.
Always wanted to help out and support the community any way I can.
Ko Wayne Dickson te prihimana ka tai a Tina Nātu ki mua i te aroaro o ngā rangatahi i te rānei, ki te kōrero kanohi ki te kanohi.
Oh, it's pretty lovely. Big shout out to the brother Wayne for putting this on for us. It was just a quick eye opener on what it's like to join the police force.
What we say to people before they go to college is to go there, work hard, study hard, make themselves proud and make their whānau proud as well.
Neke atu i te rua te kautau a Wayne Dickson e mahi prihimana ana a ka kuraina hoki ia ki te kura tuarua o Tokoroa. Nā reira e tika ana kia tūai tāna kaupapa aki i ngā rangatahi ki te whakaaro ki ngā huarahi mahi katoa. Tērā pea he whiringa te mahi prihimana mā rātau.
When I think about the ways to solve local crime issues, it's with local people. And we would like to find more local staff. And I believe that this is the place where we can start looking for local people.
We need to encourage more young people, and especially Māori and Pacific, to go into this area. I think mainly because we get to connect with our people, we know our community, and we need more brown faces.
Ko Sulita Puvaru Born te tehi o ngā kaimahi o te ratonga hauora o te hapori o te moana nui a Kiwa ki Waikato ki te tonga nei.
Hopefully, when they get into the police force, that they'll come back into our community. They know their community, they know they'll get the support from our organisations. So why wouldn't you want to be able to embrace and support them while they're working in this area?
Because if we were to hold a seminar such as this at a police station, some of the people might be a little bit worried to come, some people a little bit shy. So I'd like to go out to a number of different places in the community, such as this, and find people, meet them where they are.
Just give back, look after the youth and make the streets or the places out there a lot safer.
I find that pretty cool. I think put on a mean feed too.
He mātauranga he whakaaro nui te kai o te kaupapa nei. Hei tā Wayne Dickson o te tari prihimana ki te kotahi anake te tangata e hiahia ana te whai wāhi hei prihimana i te rānei kua tutuki tōna hiahia. Te Kawa Paora, Aukaha.